We moved here in November 2020 and we were living in suburbia and wanted a different life.
I moved here being so naive. I absolutely knew nothing except for the fact that I loved being in nature, but going on holidays and being in nature is so much different than being in nature and realising I am absolutely 100% responsible for everything here.
Thanks to Landcare, one of the successes we've had since moving here would definitely be understanding what we actually have here. Feeling as though we're now connected with people that can support us. We don't feel as isolated or as, we feel more confident that we can overcome things.
We're here to take care of the land and I've never felt like that living anywhere else.
One of the best things that's come from doing the program is obviously the knowledge, but the connections that we've made. It's given us some knowledge, it's given us some tools, it's given us points of contact that if we've got questions specific to our block, we can ask.
I guess what motivated us the most to take part in this program is because we were coming with zero knowledge. We're still learning, managing and growing every day.